Alright, so good morning, dear traders. Winston, good to see you. Well, it's not morning so much, but yeah, today's the 29th of August. So let's quickly do a jump into this account. I did go live earlier this morning, but unfortunately I forgot that I was still live, and I was working on the laptop and did some invoices and stuff, and so I don't think, those invoices and stuff is stuff that should be on my trading channel, so I had to delete that video, and now I'm doing a new one. Anyways, alright, so I did explain, I actually jumped into this gold live on that previous video. Now, as you guys can see, what happened yesterday, I specifically told you guys not to put remember I put a trade in yesterday, a buy order in here, because it was at a support level. So I put the buy order in, and I told you guys to never put your stop losses. Let me just get a nice thing. Never, I'm going to make this orange so you guys can see there. Orange. Never put your stop losses just below where everyone else will put their stop losses. Do not do that, because price might come down, pick it up and then go in your favor. And while I was doing that on the previous video, I forgot my stop loss there. I didn't move my stop loss back down to where it was. I think it was there. I didn't. I forgot it right over there, because I explained and I said, don't put your stop loss where all the other traders are going to put these stop losses, because yes, sometimes gold does go out, get that stop losses and then go in your favor. But I forgot to move it back, so I got stomped out there. Anyways, it was just a small little trade. It was like, I think, a $30 loss or something, something small, because it was a very small trade. It wasn't a very big trade. So now, that trade that I put in there, I just purely put a buy in because we were at a major support level. That's why I put the buy order in. And there's no other reason. It's not the way I usually trade, but sometimes, I just take a little bit of a gamble and, let's start trading. But anyways, I did put a trade in this morning. Now, as you can see, the buy order in there, running at $35, but I'm not in profit yet. I'm waiting for it did break through the latest, so that is my recent swing high over there, which makes this my recent swing low. It broke through, so what I'll do is, where is it? It's this one over here. I'll just move my stop to just below there. So I'm not in profit yet. Once this one comes down and forms a new high and a new low and goes up, either takes take profit there, or goes a little bit higher, then I'll just move my stop loss. Anyways, the reason I jumped into this trade this morning is pure and simple. I trade the way with the recent swing high. That is the recent swing high. Reason that's the recent swing low high is because it broke through the recent swing low, which was that one there. So that makes it my new swing high, and this one is my new swing low. So price came. Now I'm waiting for price to break the recent swing high. This one didn't break, so that's still my swing high. That one didn't break, it's still my swing high. There, my swing high, the recent swing high, which is that one over there, got broken by this candle over here. Came back for a retest. Now I'm waiting for a second run, but the second run must break the new high, which is that one over there, because that is the high that broke the previous high. So came back, did a retest, and did a second run, and there's a run that passed that swing high. So this confirms to me I can put my buy order in on that level over there. Put a buy order in. I was a bit late on it, and luckily I got a second chance, and I put the order in, the buy order in there. And so I did a buy there with the hopes that gold will get to that point over there. It's a small trade. It's a little trade. It's not a big trade. It's a very small trade. And then I did put a pre-order in there on a sell. Reason I'm doing that is just purely because we see gold I want to go to the I can just go to the 4-hour time frame. I just want to show you that we are in a sideways momentum over here. Gold is moving sideways, so it's going to jump up and down, actually between that point over there, which is the 2,500, and then the $2,528. So it's in between these two areas, and we should see gold getting there and getting rejected. That's why I got a pre-order in there, a sell order pre-order in there. with the hopes that gold's going to pick it up and come back down to the downside. For the traders that do the 5 minute and the 1 minute time frame, this is the ideal trading conditions for them, because you do have a resistance and you do have a support, which is quite nice. Now I can take that one away, just had to explain that, which is quite nice. So you can just trade in between those, you know, do a sell, do a buy, do a sell, do a buy, until gold decides to make either a break, retest, and then a second run on this resistance over here, which means we are going further higher, or gold decides to break through and this bottom, the floor over here, and trade lower. So while we in this configuration of sideways, this is a sideways momentum, this is a sideways market, you can see, and from there to there, back to here, back to there, back to here, back to there, you can see it's going up and down, up and down. This was the latest one. That was actually quite a nice breakthrough to the 2,500 zone, which is a solid support over here. This is not a solid support. This is a support, yes, but it's not a solid support, okay? So it's not a major support. But I do see that we have got a bull-bear fight over here. The bulls are trying to put gold above this 2,528 mark, but the bears says no, gold is high enough that we don't want gold to go higher than that. So we might see gold move up to this upside over here, hopefully take my take profit there, and then hopefully pick up my pre-order, which is a sell over there, and then hopefully come back down to the downside. But as long as gold is in this zone over here, this is quite nice, especially if we do see, if you are a trader or a person that sits in front of the computer the whole day and trades in the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, this is your time to shine and to make money, because you do have your golden zones, you know, more or less where prices are going to turn around. All right, so that's just the reason I entered this trade. This was done the way I trade. You could have jumped in earlier, but the way I trade is a break of that, retest, and a break of that, and then on that you put your buy order in, and that's why I've got a buy there. That's for the gold. When it comes to the Euro USD, there we go. All right, so on the Euro USD, that's the previous low, that's the previous high. The previous low right over there, which is that one over there. The reason it's a previous low is because that high broke the previous high. So that is my low, and that is my new high over there. Now I do see that that low, previous low, got broken. It's busy with a retest. Once the retest is done and this low over here gets broken, I want to make a new line, because that is now my new low over there. So once this retest, I just want to put everything where it should be. That's it. Once this retest is done and it pushes lower past that point, once that low is broken on the second, now when it turns around, once that low is broken, I will put a sell order right in this line over here, and hopefully it will go down to the 109.5. So that's what I'm aiming for, and then I need to see price turn around and go back up to the upside past, you know, this high over here. All right, so that's what I'm thinking, and that's what my thinking process is behind this. It needs to come back for a retest. It needs to just come back and retest this line over here, this nice trend line, and then hopefully find support and then put foot and go to the upside. That's on the Euro USD. The Euro pound, the pound USD is exactly the same. It hasn't broken through the previous low yet. Yeah, a couple of weeks, but it's no significant. It hasn't broken it yet. So that's still my high, and that over there is still my low. Once one of those are broken, then I'll look for trading opportunities. All right, let's go to the Euro Yen. Euro Yen is on sideways movement. That is my previous high, and it's working on a new low. But I won't look for a selling opportunity at this moment, at this point of time, because we are very close to a major support level over here. So I'm looking for buying opportunities. So I'm looking for prices to start turning around and taking a direction to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. Same with the US Yen, exactly the same. If you look at the Euro Yen, exactly the same predicament. It looks the same. So I'm just waiting for either of these to break through and then take a ride with it to the upside. Gold, all right, it is pushing up to the upside. So like I said with the gold, and I explained it properly, I'm just waiting for gold to get to this zone and then start breaking down to the downside again. Once it breaks either or, then I know which direction I'm going to take. But for now, I'm just enjoying the ride and just making some money to the upside, making some money to the downside, making some money because it's just bouncing up and down here. Anyways, that's my view for the day. I will definitely, if something interesting happens, I will definitely come online and I will go live and I will explain what I'm doing. I only trade live. Whenever I'm doing something, I go live, and that's my way of showing people, especially new traders that are coming online, to please, when you do, look for trading advice or mentorship or something like that. My advice to you is find someone that trades live on YouTube Monday to Friday. There's a handful of us that do trade live on YouTube every day, and those are the guys you should really put your attention behind and really listen to. These people, I started this YouTube channel not too long ago, and I'm trying to build it up. That's why I need your help. These people that come online and post winning trades and don't trade live, be careful of those people, because majority of those people aren't traders. They're just there to trick you and to sell you something you do not need. They're only there to scam you out of the little bit of money you have in your account. Please, if you are a new trader, earlier on, start now and follow someone that trades live. Those people that are trying to scam you and sell you all those wonderful products, majority of them don't know A from fucking Z from trading, and you will never see them trade live. Never, never, never. I challenge those people that want to put up these fancy things and sell you these fancy courses. I challenge them to trade live. I'm not telling about trading live for a day or two. No, Monday to Friday, every day, trade live on YouTube, live, for everyone to see. I can also post winning videos and try and sell you shit you don't need. As you can see on my desk, the way I trade here, there is nothing. I don't have any indicators, no nothing. I've got a vertical volume. I just got volume and then a candle counter. That just tells me when the new candle is going to start and how much time is left in the candle. That's that. I've got no moving average, no fancy stuff, no nothing. Got volume, and that's that. You do not need to go and spend thousands of dollars buying courses and stuff that you don't need. My YouTube channel is free. All I ask is for you to subscribe and help me grow this channel so we can get these new traders in here and help them to start trading the right way. Live, no shit, no bullshit. So that's why I trade live. That's also why this channel is here. It's here to show people and to try and get new traders to trade the right way and to follow someone or to get mentorship from someone that does exactly the same. That's not afraid to be live and trade live on YouTube. I don't need to show you guys. This is a demo account. I don't need to show you my real account because I trade live anyway. So if I make a mistake, I make a mistake, and it's one of those things. It's live in front of everyone to see. So that's the reason I trade. And I've got this demo account on here because there is a Fibonacci trading strategy that I'm actually trying out just to see if I can find a way to make it work better. But I haven't used that thing so much. So I've just decided while I'm so busy trying out this new strategy, I'm still going to go live and trade live. And if you find value in the way I trade, 100% fine. I already did my first months on this account. I opened it up. If you go back to the previous video, I opened up my history, and on black and white, right there for everyone to see, I showed you all the trades that I took for the month, and yeah. And then I'll do that every month, open up everything so everyone can see everything, nothing behind closed doors, everything open for everyone to see. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and let's help grow this channel to get some serious traders, people that want to learn to trade right. Let them join this channel, and please, from my side, have a good trading day. If something happens, I will definitely come on live and I will, show it. I don't do the video thing that much. I just trade live. Monday to Friday. For my side, Winston, have a good one. I'm not going to rant too long today. I'm not going to put a full rant out. You guys know, if you go on to the previous videos, you'll see exactly what I feel like or feel about these so-called traders that live in this big house and drive these fancy cars and show you all these winning trades but never trade live. They're all fucking scam artists. That's what they are. But anyways, that's just my feeling on it. Follow someone that trades live like me. Alright, from my side, have a good one. Cheers.